Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making ravioli lasagna. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4½ cups of your favorite marinara sauce, 1 pound of beef ravioli, or you can use the cheese ones, 4 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese divided, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of shredded parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm using 1½ tablespoons of sugar, which is optional, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Heated saucepan over medium heat. We're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you want to let that come to temperature. We're going to add in our onions. You want to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in your minced garlic. Let that saute 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're going to add in our ground beef. Go ahead and start to break that apart. Make sure it's mixed well with your onion and garlic. And we're going to cook it until it's browned all the way through. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to turn off your heat, remove it from the pan, and drain it of all excess grease. After you drain your ground beef, return it to your pan. Now pour in your marinara sauce. To the sauce, we're going to add in our onion powder, our garlic powder, our Italian seasoning, our ground black pepper, and also our sugar. Remember, the sugar is optional. You're going to go ahead and mix that up until it's well combined. Guys, you can go ahead and give it a taste. If you need to add any additional seasoning, you can go ahead and do it. Now you can turn off the heat. Okay, now you want to turn your oven on to 375 degrees, and you want to lightly grease a 9x13 baking dish. So now we're going to go ahead and add about 1/3 cup of our sauce to the bottom of it. Now we're going to go ahead and take our frozen ravioli and begin to layer it on top of our sauce. Next, we're going to take 2 cups of our shredded mozzarella cheese and place it over top of our ravioli. Next, over top of our cheese, we're going to take about another 1/3 cup of our sauce and layer it right over top. Now on top of our sauce, we're going to layer it with our remaining ravioli. Now we're going to take the remainder of our sauce and place it over top. of our ravioli. Now you want to take your last 2 cups of your mozzarella cheese and place it over top of your sauce. Now you can take your 2 tablespoons of shredded parmesan cheese and just sprinkle it over top. Next, get a piece of aluminum foil and you want to lightly spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. And then we're going to wrap our ravioli. It's ready to go into your oven, 375 for 30 minutes. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, our ravioli lasagna is done. So now I'm just going to sprinkle some of my parsley flakes over top. I'm going to let it cool down some before I cut into it. Okay guys, so here we have it, our ravioli lasagna. Guys, this tastes amazing. It's so full of flavor. Your whole family will love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?